Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my workshop where I will be showing you why the mobile uh, battery gets bloated in your phone. And if you put a phone away for say 6 months or somewhere in the drawer and you don't use it, it's your second phone or something, uh, it's the battery inside start getting dry and all the gases start coming leaking out. This is example. You see how much this is bloated, and it will stop working. So I would not recommend you to go into it and open it or trying to puncture it or without any protection material. So must make sure you protect yourself. Uh, put the gloves on, put the goggles on, and first of all, I would not recommend you to repair it. I've seen some people just puncturing the hole inside and put it back to normal, uh, and it does work for a few days or a few months, and then it dies away. Because inside there are a lot of different gases actually trying to come out because inside layers it start getting dry, uh, and once they're trying to escape the gases, but they can't escape. It's all sealed unit, so they start bubbling out. So I would not recommend, but I will show you anyway how to actually repair them uh, in emergency or for very temporary. Okay. Okay. I got my gloves on and got my goggles on, and I take this as a needle. This is a small needle, and I'm going to puncture this. Okay. Okay. Now just rub it down. I can take your time, slowly, slowly. Don't rush it, and don't push it too hard very quickly. Otherwise, the gas is inside trying to come out immediately, and then there could be explosions. Okay. You can see it's slowly, slowly getting less and less. Or I can make this. This is very badly damaged. Okay. Okay. Put this. This. Okay. You can see this is almost back to normal. Okay. So one thing I must say, you should not try it at home. uh, this could be a very dangerous. When all the gases start coming out, it can have an explosion or a fire. So, but this is okay for a time being, a temporary measure. It's going to work for a few months and then it's going to die away. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you like the video of this battery charger battery, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you.